Hey, guys, it's Chris Moser from MyMediaHelper.com, and I just published or put up a video on a Lenovo ThinkPad, and it was a 17-inch screen. So this is the one that I just put up, and then this is the one we're going to look at, and it's just like a smaller version of the one I just posted. And here's the laptop that we're going to take a look at this time out. As you can see, here's some of the descriptions. It's a 14-inch screen this time out. It comes basically in the same type of box. I don't have the box. This is the box that it basically comes in, just a smaller version because it's a smaller computer. I guess that makes sense, right? All right, and then what we got as far as connections are concerned here. So this is smart card reader. I guess it's considered a UHS-I. And then we got a USB A 3.2 generation 1, always on. And I'm obviously, here's an Ethernet connection or RJ45. I'm just reading it off their website here. I'm cheating. And then that's just a lock there. What do they call it? Kensington Security Lock Slot. Yep, that's just where you, if you're going to get a lock and lock the computer down, that's where it fits into right there. Okay, on this side, let's go. This is going to be the power cord. So this is the USB-C power input. And this one is USB-C 3.2 generation 2 with Thunderbolt 3 DisplayPort data transfer and power delivery. That sounds uber important. This is a USB port. And it says, oh, I see. That's the Thunderbolt right there where my finger is. This is where the docking station goes to. I do have a docking station in my back. I'm going to make a separate video on that. And then here's the other USB port. Yeah, here's the other USB port, and they call it a USB-A 3.2 generation 1 with DisplayPort data transfer and power delivery. And then you got your HDMI connection here. You know what? I think I misspoke on my last video. Oops. I called it a display port. It was actually, they're both USBs on there. I'll have to fix the description. No, not USB, not display ports, HDMI. That's a goddamn HDMI connection. Why can't I get that right? And then this is just earphones. What do they call them? Headphones, mic combo. And then the last one here, this thin slot, is a micro SD card reader. SD, is it? Oh, it's a micro. Okay. So, I already put my camera back. So that would be a bigger card slot anyways. So anyways, it's a micro SD card reader. And then you've got your mini cable here for your power. And then they call that the USB-C power input. So it's those thin ones that have been popping up recently, at least recently for me. And then we're going to fire it up here. All right. And oh, maybe I hit the power button. That might help out. And so it's just Windows 10 based, right? It's not anything particularly special. From here on out, it just runs like a freaking laptop. And I'm curious to see. So the gig on the bigger one was crap. I got to put the gig on the bigger one was 32, and it flew like the wind. It was awesome. I loved it. I wonder what they put in these things. I'm curious. All right, and then we're in the laptop here, and let's see what this baby's about. Let's go into properties. And okay, it's only 16 gigabyte RAM. So, I mean, these computers haven't slowed or anything, but I haven't done anything major in them, and I don't think there's a lot on them to slow them down in the running in the background. So there you go. There's the specifications for you. We got Windows Enterprise going there. Nothing overly special at all. All right, just to talk size difference. So here's the one that I previewed and reviewed a couple days ago. I posted a video. This is the P1 Gen 4. All right, and then this is the one we're reviewing this time out. This is the P14s. My bad. All right, just to give you an idea of the size difference. So we're just talking about the screen. There's different peripherals, different connections. Not much difference. Like there's a mini SD for the small one, I guess because it's a mini, and then there's a regular SD slot. Who uses SD cards anymore? Does anyone use SD cards anymore? I'm curious. I mean, I do, but for my camera, but my camera is like it's over 10 years old. So yeah, there's the size difference. And if you're compensating for something and you're worried about size based on other things that might be connected to your body, you might want the bigger size. We'll put that away. That was a bad joke. All right. The good thing about the smaller ones too is it's much easier to juggle with these. So I just want to, all right, I just want to show you that. Ready? No, I'm not going to juggle with these. These are not my laptops. And I don't want to, you break them, you buy them kind of thing. I don't want to do that. And they're pretty light. Did I say they're light? They're both kind of the same. I don't know. I can't tell the difference. They're kind of the same weight. They're not very heavy, and geez, they're ultra thin, and probably they'll be half as thin in another 5 years. Who knows? They probably are now, right? So anyways, yeah, Lenovo ThinkPad. It's not a bad computer, either one. I've been having problems with Dells lately, not necessarily laptops, but with desktops. My past two desktops have sucked balls. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I would lean towards a Lenovo because yeah, they're functioning very good. So I hope that helped. It's a Windows 10 base computers that we looked at. I mean, they're all Windows 10 base computers that I've reviewed on here, and they function the same. There's not really much to say on the difference. All right, and beyond that, if you could subscribe, I would appreciate it. This cord is killing me here. Yeah, the subscription is going up modestly. Stupid cord. And then please like if you like this, like if you didn't like this, like it twice if you really hated it. And please share this video. I don't know who the hell you would share it with, but share it with somebody. And then hit the bell for updates. And I know my shirt changed in edits. I ran out of time. I filmed it in 2 days. I don't know what to tell you. So I will say adieu. And then I put a commercial or two after this video. So watch that and get jazzed. All right. I'll catch you next time. Bye.
It began with a single microchip that kick-started a relentless drive to innovate, to reimagine, to turn what we know into what now. It's how we think, no matter if we're going big, going bold, or going completely off the map. From the tiniest details to the farthest reaches of space, we transform. We build, we evolve, but yesterday's achievements are yesterday's. We will never stand still. In fact, we are just getting started. Pushing, prodding, challenging the world of technology forward to enhance our lives, brighten the future, and empower the world. Lenovo, celebrating 35 years.
Finally, the system you want has the power you need. ThinkPad P1. Workstation power. Thin and light design. The first mobile workstation with the ability to amaze you with what it can do and how it looks. To do this, we created a new premium design featuring a seamless keyboard, glass touchpad, blackout logos, along with a deeper black chassis. Living up to the ThinkPad legacy of quality and durability, the P1 is mil-spec tested and utilizes dual-fan flex performance cooling. It is thin, light, strong, and cool. But what separates the ThinkPad P1 from other mobile workstations is its ability to perform. Featuring Intel Xeon mobile processors, 64 gigabytes of memory, the NVIDIA Quadro P2000 professional graphics, and 4 terabytes of PCIe storage, the ThinkPad P1 is not only ISV certified, it is optimized for maximum productivity, letting your work come to life on a stunning 15-inch 4K display. The system you want now has the power you need. The ThinkPad P1 mobile workstation from Lenovo.